Alright, what's good? Today's Monday. It's a no news Monday. I already know I'm not taking a trade today because it's just not giving me any of my entry models. It's 10:12. I would have only been waiting till like 10:30, but I could just tell it's not going to give me anything. So, I mean, overall, we were still bullish on the day. Um, I was bullish. I wanted higher prices. However, on the open, we literally just ripped. We didn't even trade into sell side. This is the sell side I had marked out. The reason I picked out that sell side was where is it? On the hourly time frame from here to here. That's 50%. And where is it? Somewhere, I think it was on 5 minute. Yeah, I think it was here. Nope, it wasn't here. I don't know where it was, I'm going to be honest. But I think that's where I kind of went wrong, honestly. From here to here would have been a better marking to draw it. And we did trade into a discount, but I don't know. I had this sell side marked out. I wanted this sell side to be taken before looking for higher prices. It was somewhere. It was a 50% somewhere. Might have been here. Yeah, it was here. It was on the 15 minute. It was on the 15 minute. I wanted this sell side to be taken because it was on a discount. Um, we never got it, and then literally immediately after, we just ripped up, taking out my first draw on liquidity. So then I'm like, all right, maybe we could go down to short. Opening range gap was all the way down here from the new contract. So I was like, maybe we're going to come down there. So I was obviously just waiting for a market structure shift downwards, but we kind of just chopped all the way to the macro. Once right at the beginning of the macro, we got this nice move down. It was my market structure shift. I was gonna get ready to enter. Which I'm glad I didn't. I was literally getting ready to enter on this candle, and all of a sudden, literally right when this candle opened, it just shot up before I could even enter. So I'm like, all right, well, good thing I didn't enter, because I would have just instantly been stopped. Once this happened, I'm like, all right, we're probably not gonna want to go down. So I was starting to look for long entries. I was like, okay, maybe we invalidated this. There's a fair value gap here. I would go long here because for me, to me at least, when we just completely overturn a candle with a market structure shift in literally 1 second, the chances are we're going to go up to this buy side like we are. And we just kept pushing higher. Another fair value gap I would have entered off of didn't give me it. Kept pushing up. Ended up taking out this buy side. And I'm like, all right, move already's gone. Yeah, there's these more buy sides up here, but it's not worth it to catch this tiny little move and get stuck in this chop right here. Like, I would not have wanted to get stuck in this chop. So once we took out this buy side, I'm kind of like, yeah, I'm not really gonna take a trade. Wouldn't have gone short here. There's no fair value gap. It's not enough displacement. No point of risking anything in the market. It's a no news Monday. We have news tomorrow. That's gonna probably make price action a little bit more favorable to my model. But I mean, only thing I would say is I wouldn't have went long at all during this. I wouldn't have went long this early because we already took out buy side. So even if I did count that liquidity sweep over here, if I did the 5 minute, it doesn't matter because I wouldn't have entered this early. So I really don't feel any type of way about this move. We are near all-time highs, so I do think we're gonna push to these highs tomorrow, and if not tonight, if we will get to it today. But yeah, um, not much to talk about, to be honest. We kind of just ripped all day, all morning. There was just high draws up here. That's why we're going up there. Couldn't get a retracement entry. So, and I don't like to enter on like a market structure shift type of, like a break a structure or like a continuation type of play, because like I've done that before and I always just get stopped because like a candle like this happens if I just enter. So it's not worth it to me. Um, but yeah, we'll be back tomorrow, and hopefully we can get better price action and take a nice trade. So yeah.